I'm David Urban, and today we'll be making the Corpse Survivor. Now, many people may be far more familiar with the number 2 recipe, Corpse Survivor number 2 from the Savoy Cocktail book in 1930, Harry Craddock's book, who is a famed bartender and often referenced, especially when in regards to this drink. Now, the Corpse Survivor was originally layered. It appeared out of nowhere around 1861, just prior to the Civil War, and exploded just into modern American drinking culture. It was absolutely immersed, and there was another popular preparation technique that was going on at the exact same time, which was the Pousse Café, which is another drink that was created around the same time, along with the Scaffa. Now, so there's very strong indications that this drink was originally layered, and its ingredients, as opposed to the number 2, don't contain gin. In fact, this drink is a prime example of ingredient usage in the mid 19th century. I mean, you might have had a few cordials, a couple of French cordials, and a couple fortified wines, possibly, maybe. You know, a Holland gin, maybe. I mean, the brandy and light rum, you would have had a St. Croix rum. And I mean, there really wasn't much to work with, which is why a lot of these early drinks do contain a lot of the same ingredients. But this drink in particular is absolutely named after the Civil War. I mean, Corpse Survivor, it's pretty clear. Corpse Survivor had lost favor prior to the 20th century. I mean, so it was really revived and brought back with this whole second golden age or craft cocktail movement, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to go ahead and make this today. And we're going to make it how it would have been made in 1861. However, there's not a whole lot of information on Strega, which is one of the ingredients, and many people may not even know about this liqueur. But so it was hard to find a specific gravity to find out which order this drink would have possibly been layered. But I'm going to take a chance and say it's in the middle. We'll figure this out. So our first ingredient is going to be maraschino bitters. And you want to pour about 3/4 of an ounce. And then Strega. We're going to top this with green chartreuse. And here we have a classic Corpse Survivor in the Pousse Café style.